The fire ban through much of the parts of the province that are seeing heavy rain and snow in many parts in western parts of the province has been lifted. The only areas that have significant fire ban activities in the forested areas is that Fort McMurray area and the Lac La Biche areas. And so there remains in the forested areas around there a fire and ATV ban. In other parts of the province, especially in the areas in the prairies outside there, check with your local municipality. They may have some fire restrictions still in place, but at this time in the forested areas, the fire ban's been lifted due to the normal May long weekend weather we get, which is rain and snow and cold temperatures in the mountains and in the western parts of the province. So just a fire ban in the northeast at this time.
Now, Alberta Health Services continues to have an air quality advisory in place for the regional municipality of Wood Buffalo. And yesterday, they also issued air quality advisories for the communities of Bonnyville, St. Paul, Cold Lake, Lac La Biche, Smoky Lake, and Elk Point. In Edmonton, the air quality index nearly reached 10 late yesterday afternoon, but the rain has helped significantly improving the air quality through the night and is now at 1. For residents who are considering returning to Fort McMurray as part of the re-entry plan starting the 1st of June, if the conditions warrant, I want to be clear about a number of precautions. People with the following conditions should not be considering returning unless the air quality is safe. And that is individuals with respiratory conditions, that's COPD and asthma, those with existing cardiovascular or heart conditions such as angina, a previous heart attack. Pregnant women also should be included in that list, as well as children under the age of 7, and seniors, those over 65 years of age. Now, people without these conditions who decide to return to Fort McMurray starting tentatively on June 1st should monitor the air quality conditions carefully and take the necessary precautions if the conditions change. Now, I want to emphasize the situation in Fort McMurray is different from other communities currently being impacted by the smoke from the fire for several reasons. Now, firstly, there is not a full range of medical services currently available in Fort McMurray and won't be fully available until the re-entry begins. It won't be fully available really to the middle of June. Short-term, also unexpected spikes in air pollution or pollutants can result as a result of wind gusts. We also have the issue of particulate matter from the ash and soot and other pollutants that may resuspend in the air. And finally, the poor air conditions in Fort McMurray may be prolonged.